Hi everyone and welcome to Dawson Tools. Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at our DTM130 temperature and humidity meter. Let's go ahead and take a look at the functions of the meter. Press the red power button to turn the meter on. The display shows the current relative humidity and ambient temperature. The meter's default temperature unit is Celsius. If you want to switch to Fahrenheit, press the CF button and the display will show the current temperature in Fahrenheit. To switch back to Celsius, press the CF button again. To show the dew point temperature, press the DTM130 button and the temperature display will switch to dew point temperature. To show the wet bulb temperature, push the DTM130 button again, and the temperature display will show the wet bulb temperature. To return to ambient air temperature reading, push the DTM130 button a third time. If you push the hold button at any time in any mode, the display will keep and hold the current reading on the screen. To release the hold, push the hold button again. At any point, if you press the minimum/maximum button, the meter will display the maximum value recorded since the button was pushed. If you press the minimum/maximum button again, the display will show the minimum value since the button was pushed. To return to normal display, hold the button down. To store the current readings into memory so they can be recalled at a later time, push the memory button. In the upper right corner of the display, the memory symbol and the memory slot number will briefly appear, letting you know the readings have been successfully stored in memory. To recall any readings that have been stored in memory, press the Read button. The DTM130 and the Celsius and Fahrenheit buttons act as the up and down buttons to scroll through the stored readings. To return the display to normal readings, press the Read button again. The auto power off symbol appears in the top left corner of the display, telling you that the meter will turn itself off after 30 minutes of non-use. To disable this feature, press the auto power off button in the lower left portion of the meter. The auto off feature will re-enable itself once the meter is powered off, so keep this in mind when disabling this feature. To re-enable it while the meter is still on, press the auto power off button again. And finally, the meter's display has a backlight feature so the meter can be used in low light situations. To turn on the backlight, press the backlight button in the bottom right corner of the meter. The backlight will stay on for approximately 15 seconds before turning itself off. To turn the backlight off manually, press the backlight button again. And that concludes our demo for the DTM130. For more information, visit our website at www.dawsontools.com.